the Sandstone Trail. Sandstone Trail goes from Frodsham in Cheshire down to Whitchurch in Shropshire. 34 miles of amazing off-road walking. It's going to be a hot one, but we took lots of water and sun cream. The only thing was, we didn't know how much water supply was going to be along the way, so we had to manage our water intake. The plan was to reach Frodsham Friday night after work and walk and trying to find the camp. We got there about 10 after it found a really good place to sleep, and ended up getting up very early in the morning due to a massive midge infest. Felt more like Scotland than it did Cheshire, but it was a good night's sleep.
Morning, day 2 of the Sandstone Trail. Trying to catch the pub, sorry, horseflies everywhere. We got attacked by midges last night at the camp. I tried to sleep without a tent, which isn't a good idea, so I ended up trying to put my tent up at midnight. Riding with Dan. Alright. See you later.
Stopped at Rose Farm Cottage in Upkinton for our second breakfast. Some parts of the trail we couldn't follow, had to make massive detours due to everything being overgrown.
Morning, day 3. Didn't stop till about 10:30 last night. It was dark. That's where we're going, Whitchurch. Look at those rain clouds. You can see it coming towards us. I think it'll be coats on in a minute. Rain down. Happy Farms. We've diverted off the Sandstone trail because there was head height corn and it was soaking wet. So we've come down a pass and we've both been electrocuted twice. Dan got electrocuted twice, I got once. And he's still got a shaky hand. It put him on the floor. How are you feeling, Dan, after being electrocuted twice? Yeah. These fences are never electrocuted.
I've touched loads and I've never been shot.
Twice. I think the pharmacy doesn't put the voltage up. So this morning got rain, diversion because there is 7 foot corn and nowhere to walk. So we've just done about a 3 mile diversion and we've got 10k to go. Well, nearly done. Got about 4k and a coffee shop to go. A few detours. Some of the paths are really overgrown, but we have had a lot of sun. So yeah, all been good. Great day, great weekend for it, and a great day. Bit of rain before, but not too bad.
After a quick march due to the train station being opposite side of town, we made it just in time for our train. What an amazing weekend. I'd recommend it to anyone who loves walking. Just watch out for the head